Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Well, today we are going to make a special capsicum chutney. Now, I'm sure many of you might not have tried this chutney. It goes very well with idlis, dosas, uttapam, vada. So it's a very simple and easy to make chutney. So let's get started and check it out. First, let's roast the needed ingredients. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of Chana Dal, 1 tablespoon Urad Dal and roast them until they turn golden and aromatic. This gives the chutney a wonderful nutty flavor. Then add 4 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger chopped and 4 medium-sized onions roughly chopped and cook them for a couple of minutes on medium flame until they become slightly soft and slightly translucent. Once the onions are ready, add the chopped capsicum. I have taken 1 big-sized green capsicum, chopped into medium-sized pieces for this recipe. Then add 2 green chilies chopped, 4 small pieces of tamarind for a mild tanginess and saute them. Mix well and saute for about 2 minutes on medium flame. The capsicum should soften slightly while still keeping a bit of crunch, which gives the chutney a nice texture. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and cook them on low flame for about 2 minutes. Adding the salt while cooking the vegetables adds more flavor and aroma to the chutney. Next, add a few handfuls of fresh coriander leaves with the stock and mix everything well and cook for another few minutes so all the flavors blend together. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and saute once. Turn off the flame and transfer the roasted ingredients to a plate. Allow the mixture to cool completely. What is the most unique chutney you have tried with any vegetable? Let me know in the comment section. Transfer the cooled mixture to the mixer jar. I'm grinding everything without adding any water. So you can see the chutney is nice and thick and a bit smooth. If you want to dilute it, you can always add a little water to dilute the chutney. Once done, transfer the chutney to a bowl. I've made several chutney recipes. I'll give you the playlist in the description. Do check it out. Finally, let's prepare the tempering. Heat a little oil in a small tempering pan. Add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds and allow them to splutter. Now add a few red chilies cut. Turn off the stove and add a pinch of asafoetida powder and a few fresh curry leaves. Just roast everything and pour the hot tempering over the chutney and mix it well. Instantly the chutney becomes even more fragrant and flavorful. And that's it, your delicious capsicum chutney is ready to be served. You can enjoy this with hot idlis, crispy dosas or even soft upma. It's a refreshing and tasty side dish that will brighten up any breakfast table. So you can see I am going to enjoy this capsicum chutney with some nice hot steaming idlis, nice spongy idlis. What will you guys enjoy it with? Let me know in the comment section while I take a bite. The flavors are amazing. I think I can easily finish up all these idlis. They're quite small. And the chutney is so good. It's so flavorful and so tasty. So next time you find some nice fresh capsicums in the market, buy them and try this chutney. You can see how simple and easy it is and you can enjoy it with any tiffin of your choice. So do try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.